Hi friends, I am Pravin. Today I come with a new video in SEO full tutorial guys. If you are new to this video, please do watch the before videos which I have highlighted here. So without any delay, let's get into the video friends. Today I am going to explain what is title optimization. It is one of the subtopic in on-page SEO guys. First, you should know what is title optimization guys. For this, I will show you with an example. Here I have searched for SEO complete course. Here you can see the Advanced SEO Training Certification course. It is the title. In the above title, you can see the file name optimization. I have explained the file name optimization in the before video guys. So first one is file name optimization. Second one is title optimization. Next to the title optimization, you can see the meta description guys. So next to the meta description, you can see the rating. It is called schema rating guys. There are more schemas are available. It is the one of the type in schema guys. This is a rating schema. So here they mentioned the rating schema guys. So in the SERP layout, you will see the file name optimization and the title optimization and the meta description guys. First, you should know what length should be the title. The length of the title should be 50 to 60 characters. Just I am using this. The length should be 50 to 60 characters. The title can be separated by spaces, or you can use these symbols here. Here you can separate the title by using the spaces, or you can give the symbols guys. Here they have mentioned the plus symbol. Here they have mentioned using the hyphen symbol guys. Using that, you can separate the title by using the space or symbols guys. Now you can ask me where the title should be placed. The title should be placed between the head section code guys. The title will be within the head section code. So the title length should be 50 to 60 characters. The title can be separated by spaces or using these symbols guys. The title, where the title should be placed is in your web page. The title should be, just consider simply learn. Here this is the heading tab. Next to the heading tab, you can see the content. In the final you can see the footer guys. The title will be placed between the head code. It will not be displayed to us. It will be displayed only to the spider crawler and the indexer. So for the website, the title optimization plays a major role because only the title will be shown in the SERP layout. The title and the meta description only shown in the SERP layout. So it plays a major role in SEO guys. So you should optimize the title and meta description using keyword research. Here the keyword is SEO complete course. For this keyword, here we can see the Learn SEO free basic course. It is the title which is optimized based on the keyword research guys. So based on that, you should also optimize the meta description. The meta description should be covered only by using the keywords guys. The more search volume keywords should be placed in the title optimization under the meta description guys. Now you have learned what is title optimization. Now I will tell you how to give the title. For example, I am taking SEOmofo.com. It is the website. Here you can get a sample of title optimization guys. Here you can see the title. The title length should be 50 to 60 characters. In the SERP layout, it will display only up to 580 pixel guys. The 580 pixel will be 50 to 60 characters only with the 580 pixel guys. For before you give the title, you should must do keyword research. Here you can see guys, when I am giving the title, it is all automatically updating here. So using this, you can practice the title optimization. If you are a beginner, the website name is SEOmofo.com. Using this, you can practice the title optimization guys. Um, for learning, you can use SEOmofo.com. So title optimization is now completed guys. Thank you.